Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of a Ring quick release battery pack. I've got the Ring doorbell and I need a second battery pack, so there's one already charged so I can just pop them in whenever needed. So I bought this off Amazon. I think it was around £25 for the battery. So this is the same one as I've already got in the doorbell. This makes it a lot easier. So it says rechargeable battery for Ring devices. Includes one battery. And we are easy to remove, swap in and out of your Ring device quick release tab. And some other bits of the box. Open it up. You got a little Ring booklet, but you don't really need that. Box there, and this is what comes. This is your battery pack. So it's pretty just identical to the one I already got. So we charge it, the quick release button, and then also you get charging cable, and that's all you get, a charging cable and the battery. This just plugs in like so. So yeah, thanks for watching. Just a short video, and I'll see you all in the next video.